Wait, I don't know how long I'm gonna spend here. It might take me one day to to finish one.
Maybe I don't want to laugh. Just leave it. My husband will just be taking that one. I will take I will finish the whole hair. If there is, it's about 4, baby. I thought it's even 3.
No, it's more than 4.
Really? Yeah. He will just be on one, and I will finish the rest.
No, that's what you just said. I'll spend the whole day.
My friend came here yesterday and wanted to help me take it out. So I just said, don't worry about it. I'm using it to keep myself busy while watching some movie. Immediately I came back, I was like, no, I'm done. I'm tired of this hair. I need to have a fresh start. Wash my hair, and even if I don't get to do anything now, just want my hair to be clean. Are you plaiting the hair or losing it? Look, I'm done with one, and it just hasn't even started.
I'm trying to lose it. Just want to try.
You done with one?
Nearly.
That's quicker than expected because I'm still on the second one.
No, I'm not yet done. Still go.
Maybe I'm too competitive. Immediately I heard that you're about to finish, I started rushing to finish this one. So I've taken out 2, and you're still on the first one, right?
Still on the first one.
And I'm going to take out the third one before you. My competitive spirit is out. I looked at myself in the hospital yesterday and I was like, oh Lydia, what is this? This hairstyle. It was looking so unfair, so dirty. Just like, why am I like this? This is not me. Came back and I was like, I need to cut this thing. Cut it and get a fresh hairstyle. Even if you don't have to do it immediately, but wash your hair. This scalp is not looking good. Maybe are you still on?
I'm still on this one.
And I'm done taking out 3. I told you, and this is the 4th one now. So you'll be there and now finish the 4th one.
But at least
You try it.
try it.
There's no competition. Right?
Pressure is on, man.
It's getting worse.
I'm sweating. Sweating.
Okay, this one is out. Are you still there?
Yeah.
Do you have anyone left?
Yes.
Any more? Any more left? Because I want to finish the. Okay, got one again. You'll be there and I'll finish this one. The 5th one.
Nearly done.
I'm done with this one. Any more left?
Wait.
And the 6th one.
The hair is covered.
It's the same thing. I know.
Can't see.
I know. So yeah, I'm done. Maybe that's it, right? Because if there's another left, I'll finish it before you.
Wait.
Is that all?
Not yet. Wait.
Is this one yours?
It's mine. Leave it. Leave it. Don't touch it. Even if I spend the whole day today, at least let me.
Take out one at least.
At least take out one.
Are you tangling the attachment with my hair?
It seems like. So you stay one place now.
I can help you.
To the roots.
Maybe let me help you.
No.
I can see you pulling it. Make sure you don't cut my hair. You need to detangle from the tips.
Yay! Oh my god, it's like I've tangled it.
Yes.
Tangled it.
Well done. Good job.
Let me look at the teeth.
It's done. It's done, guys.
Yeah. It sounds. Oh dear.
I watch it in the night.
This is real marathon.
Yeah, I watch it in the evening before sleeping. Now I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Maybe I'll comb it and yeah, just trying to comb it out, and in the evening I'll wash it before sleeping.
Let me pack it because of chemical.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This dress needs proper cleaning.
I'm going to go back. So give it to me instead of present.
Sorry. Maybe please get home. Move away from